Hello viewers, welcome to AQC Group. Today we are going to see August 14, 2020 Karnataka Copra wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily updates, subscribe our YouTube channel AQC Group. Puttur minimum price 40, maximum price 95, Arsikeri minimum price 95, maximum price 103 rupees 50 paise, Channarayapatna ball minimum price 100, maximum price 102 rupees per kg. Gubbi ball maximum price 95, Bangalore minimum price 95, maximum price 105, Tiptur Copra Kotu minimum price 79, maximum price 82 rupees per kg. Karkala maximum price 100, Kunigal minimum price 66, maximum price 100, Puliyar ball minimum price 94, maximum price 96 rupees per kg. Tiptur Marico minimum price 96, maximum price 98, Tiptur ball minimum price 100, maximum price 103, Tiptur edible minimum price 97, maximum price 100 rupees per kg. Turvikeri maximum price 102 rupees 90 paise, Nagamangala maximum price 98, KR Pet maximum price 97 rupees per kg. Hassan maximum price 95, Tiptur Copra maximum price 102 rupees 90 paise per kg. Next we are going to see August 14, 2020 Kerala Copra wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily updates, subscribe our YouTube channel AQC Group. Kanjangadu minimum price 96, maximum price 100, Payanur minimum price 95, maximum price 101, Kasaragod minimum price 88, maximum price 90 rupees per kg. Keraford maximum price 110, Neelishwaram minimum price 89, maximum price 92 rupees per kg. Todupula minimum price 104, maximum price 105, Kuthuparambu minimum price 90, maximum price 100 rupees per kg. Next we are going to see August 14, 2020 Karnataka coconut wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily updates, subscribe our channel. Sulya minimum price 6, maximum price 14, Kumuta minimum price 13 rupees 33 paise, maximum price 23 rupees 26 paise, Beltangadi minimum price 14 rupees 50 paise, maximum price 15 rupees 50 paise per number. Udupi minimum price 10, maximum price 15, Channarayapatna maximum price 10, Bantwala minimum price 8, maximum price 16 rupees per number. Kadur maximum price 15, Tumkur minimum price 8 rupees 50 paise, maximum price 17 rupees 50 paise, Sira minimum price 8 rupees 50 paise, maximum price 18 rupees per number. Ramanagara minimum price 7, maximum price 15 rupees 20 paise, Hirekarur minimum price 9, maximum price 10, Gundlupet maximum price 9 rupees 50 paise per number. Arsikeri minimum price 12 rupees 80 paise, maximum price 17 rupees 70 paise, Puttur minimum price 8, maximum price 13 rupees 50 paise, Pandavapura minimum price 10, maximum price 13 rupees per number. Bangalore minimum price 8, maximum price 18, KR Pet minimum price 10, maximum price 12, Chikbalapur minimum price 8, maximum price 18 rupees per number. Malavalli minimum price 9, maximum price 10, Malur minimum price 8, maximum price 12, Puliyar minimum price 9, maximum price 11 rupees per number. Gubbi minimum price 8, maximum price 10, Harihara maximum price 9, Turvikeri maximum price 10 rupees per number. Hassan maximum price 10, Nanjangud maximum price 9, Sante Sargur maximum price 8 rupees per number. KR Nagar maximum price 12, Hansur maximum price 12, Davanagiri maximum price 7 rupees per number. Tarikiri maximum price 10, Nagamangala maximum price 10, Honali maximum price 8 rupees per number. Next we are going to see August 14, 2020 Kerala coconut wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily updates, subscribe our YouTube channel AQC Group. Arur minimum price 36, maximum price 38, Chavakad minimum price 33, maximum price 40, Katakada minimum price 40, maximum price 45 rupees per kg. Vamanapuram minimum price 40, maximum price 45, Vadakancheri minimum price 38, maximum price 40, Todupula minimum price 37, maximum price 38 rupees per kg. Adimali minimum price 35, maximum price 37, Yelamkulam minimum price 40, maximum price 50, Neelishwaram minimum price 32, maximum price 34 rupees per kg. Manjeri minimum price 29, maximum price 30, Kanjirapalli minimum price 38, maximum price 42 rupees per kg. To get the daily market updates of various agricultural commodities, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel AQC Group. Do watch and share this video to the farming community. Thanks for watching.